Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 2. And before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of solutions related to your study. If you are doing any degree, if you have any subject, if you have any query related to the any subject, any exam, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900936823, and you have to just tell about your queries. We provide all type of solution in a day. So this is very simple. You have to just put your PDF or everything, just type your queries on the WhatsApp. We provide all the type of solution in a day. Thank you so much. Now the question number 2b is the initial wave function for a simple harmonic. This one is calculate the expectation values x and x square for the following odd parity state of a symmetric infinite potential well. Sin x equal to 1 upon root s, sin n pi x upon 2a and 2, 4, 6. So this is the question, and if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us. We provide all the answers according to the your um, numbers, or now the we will discuss in the next video of the other question. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.